What are you doing Sunday?
Let's see, on Sunday, we're probably going to be at Nona's house.
Okay.
We'll be getting a little Sunday gravy. We'll be getting a little homemade pasta. And if we're lucky, meatballs.
I mean, well, it makes sense because Sunday is National Meatball Day.
It's a major holiday.
It's a major holiday. Whether you like beef, pork, a mix of both. Turkey.
My husband Rocco is turkey.
We make a turkey meatball.
Yeah.
Well, let me introduce you. You've come to the right place. We're going to show you how to make the perfect meatball.
Not only a meatball, but a
meatball sundae.
Stop it right now.
You know what? It's like such a major holiday.
You had to up the ante.
I had to come up with something very special, and I also
like
have
this.
for you our official meatball in a cup pin.
Stop it.
Right?
Sir,
big
Daniel
You made him
Mancini,
famous.
co-founder of Mama Mancini's. Welcome. Thank you for the pin.
you.
Thank you for being here.
Oh, my pleasure.
Okay, so today we are making, what is the meat mixture that you're rolling out
This is
today?
all beef. My
All beef,
grandmother
okay.
only used all beef, and I actually brought the ingredients here. So what's so special about what we do is we follow Grandma's recipe, Mama Mancini, and we exclusively use her ingredients.
Okay.
It's beef or turkey for your husband, right? We got him covered.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And we add the parsley, the Romano cheese, eggs, onions, simple as that, right? A little bit of breadcrumb, and this is actually Grandma holding me.
Look at this.
When I was a little baby.
Show Bobby.
Behind every great cook is a nonna.
Always.
There's a nonna who was
There
always
she
doing it in the
is.
kitchen.
There she is. And you know what I always say? People will say, oh, this is restaurant quality food. And I say, no, no, no. It's a step above. It's grandma quality.
It's grandma quality.
It's grandma quality.
Grandma puts the love in.
Riddle us this.
Yeah.
What is the secret to making a good meatball? Because I have heard, do the wet ingredients before you add the meat. Don't overwork.
Don't overwork.
The thing.
That's
you
the
don't
key.
You don't want to compact it
That's
too much.
the
You need
key.
to keep it. You want it dense but also fluffy.
Right.
Yeah.
And you mix your ingredients. You know, we always say put a lot of love into it. But if you overwork it, it's a mistake. Just keep it simple. You should have fun doing it, right?
Okay. All right.
So so what I brought today is for you to make a meatball
sundae. Okay.
Let me tell you what we have. So we have a little sauce you can put on.
Love some
We have
sauce.
mozzarella pearls.
That's what I thought.
Isn't that adorable?
I was
thought
like,
these
what?
were mini marshmallows.
So did I.
What's going on with the mini
That's
marshmallows?
right. Yes, I did. We're
Grated
making
cheese
sweet
and a little
savory.
parsley.
Which is actually a very cute way to have your sundae.
Yeah.
Right?
You have to
you
have
think of
this.
everything, Dan.
And I
love
also,
this.
because it's a big holiday, bought just a drizzle of this. This is black truffle olive oil.
We must
you.
be special.
Yeah, you are.
He broke out the black truffle oil.
So can we go ahead and make our
please.
sundaes,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
We'll go in
Yeah.
and decide how
I'll
we
give
want
you,
to do
a
that.
little more
Let us solve.
information.
Yes, while you're doing this.
Oh, and also, by the way, for National Meatball Day, if you
Yes.
go onto our website, mamamancinis.com, we're doing a massive giveaway for the holiday. I mean, this is a very special holiday.
It is. This is your Super Bowl and your World Series.
You know, I interviewed the guy who does the national calendars, so that you can have National Bubblegum Day, National Lip Gloss Day, National Meatball Day. Very interesting. He wouldn't give me all the answers on exactly how it all goes down.
I always say my grandmother, when she came here, my grandparents came to America in 1921, so I say my grandmother established this holiday.
That's right. She absolutely did. Now, do you roast your meatballs, fry your meatballs,
Oh, this is
poach
always
your
the big thing,
meatballs?
right?
Well, because we started the company 17 years ago, and we were a tiny company. We're now national. We're in every supermarket across the country.
Congratulations.
Where are you
Yeah, I
from
was
originally?
very excited. And so we bake them, right? And then we marry
you
them
bake?
with the
Okay.
sauce.
Okay.
Beauty.
And the sauce is just plum, tomatoes, olive oil, onion, garlic, bay leaf, and basil.
That's
no
it.
sugar, no
The
junk.
less, the better.
The rest, right.
It's the tomato. You want the tomato to shine through.
Kirsten wanted to know where you're from.
Yes.
Originally from Brooklyn, but we live out in New Jersey now.
Hey, baby, what neighborhood? Give a shout out.
Dyke Heights.
I
Yes.
taught at Poly Prep.
Oh, did you?
Yes.
So a few weeks ago, I went back.
Nobody does lights in Christmas time better than Dyker Heights.
It's incredible, right?
Everybody knows this. You can't outdo them.
Oh, it's iconic. So when I first started doing that, it was like 12 people walking down the street looking at the lights. Now there's buses.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
So-
people
They're selling
come
tickets.
From
There are porta potties.
it's
There's
like-
live music.
porta potties. All right. Are you good?
Look
with
how
your-
beautiful
let me
hers
put
is,
my- let me put a
right?
little-
So
let me
that's
put
your
a-
holiday. And we also brought, if you go into the supermarket, you're going to see
can
these
find
packages.
All
and,
the different ways that
and
you can
Grandma,
get into
by the way,
Mama
if you look at our
Mancini's.
logo, that's
Yeah.
me and Grandma in the logo. We bring her everywhere.
As well you should.
Thank
Daniel,
you.
happy National
Thank you.
Meatball
Thank
Day.
you.
Yes. Put a little
Unbelievable.
sprinkle.
You heard him. If you want to learn more about Mama Mancini's,
Yeah.
follow him at Daniel Mancini on Instagram.